First, you need to go to your profile page and click main menu and click plus create and choose reflection. I have shared to you on how to create reflection. In this video, I will elaborate more so you can understand better. The example will be my experience about a portfolio competition I entered last year. This competition will be under extracurriculum based activities. You need to click plus new entry under extracurriculum based activities. The title is I want to put it as I won a portfolio champion and video CV competition. So for the entry, I have already typed the entry, so I will just copy and paste here, and you can justify. You can also edit so many things from here. I want to put a picture. Okay, the main picture for this reflection will be the invitation. Okay, you can adjust the size. Okay, the caption is invitation to prize giving session. The 23rd December 2019 has answered when and Office Undergraduate Studies has answered who, and for what is Third Undergraduate Research Conference URC 2019 closing ceremony. And where? UTM Johor Bahru. Why? Prize giving session. Below is the short introduction about the competition and also how I enter this competition. This one will be my short introduction, and this will be my I want to clarify what I want and so on. So I want to put picture also. So my caption is you can also put by who and so on for the caption. After that, this one is my reflection about this competition and what I have learned from it. Okay, this one. So that's all. So after you have finished, you click save entry and it will appear like this. Ta-da! See? So that's all from me for the reflection part. Thank you very much. Bye.